Hi there, students. To implore, a verb. I guess you could have an adjective, imploring, yeah? The imploring defendant. I guess an implorer as a person as well. I don't think that's probably very common though. Okay, so to implore, to beg for something, please, 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 I implore you, I implore you. Okay, so to implore is to ask for something, to beg, but in a very, very sincere, very emotional and very determined way. Yeah, you're asking somebody to do something or not to do something. So I implored her not to leave me, but she left me anyway. The boy implored his parents not to send him to boarding school, but they did so anyway. Okay, so to implore, to beg someone to do something or not to do something. Notice this is very strong. Your hands, please, please, please. Yeah, to implore is to beg. Particularly with passion, to entreat, to beseech. Yeah, I earnestly, desperately implore you. Yeah, the people that were to be executed implored the court for mercy, but clearly there was no mercy coming. Yeah, the starving masses were implored the people for help. Yeah, it's to make a really earnest, really, really serious request for someone to do something. It's something that's very sincere. It's something that's very, very urgent. Yeah. So I implore you not to make a noise because there's going to be terrible problems otherwise. Yeah. Okay. So if you're imploring this, it feels like a matter of life or death. Now, I'd really like to look at the origin of this because it explains the meaning a bit as well. Okay, to implore comes from imploro in Latin, in and then ploro, to cry out. So so in crying, but this is somebody who's crying for something, yeah, because they need it. So the emotion is there. They're crying because they need it badly. Yeah, they are praying to someone, please, please, please. Yeah, and this is the idea of to implore. Yeah, is that you're crying for somebody. I beseech you, I entreat you, I beg you, I implore you not to do this, or I implore you to do this. Okay, so notice it's very, very strong. You're asking in a very, very forceful, very emotional way. Yeah, tell me what to do. I'll do anything, he implored her. Yeah, okay, so it's it's a really, really strong request in a very emotional, to supplicate for something, to ask for something piteously. Yeah. Okay, is because you're absolutely desperate for it. Yeah, you're going to be lost or in terrible, terrible pity without. So you implore somebody for help. You implore somebody for aid. Yeah, you implore somebody for mercy. Yeah, you implore for forgiveness. You implore to be pardoned. Yeah, okay, so you're making urgent, piteous supplications. Yeah, you're begging something, but from the bottom of your heart. Yeah, you really, really, really need this. Okay, and then notice, let's see, formality. This is a fairly formal literary word. I think I'm going to give it 6.5 0.5 informality. I wouldn't use it informally. I think beg probably informally. I beg you. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, formal writing. Yeah. It's too old-fashioned to sound good informally. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I implore you to give it a rating, please, 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 please. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Implore.